You might be thinking, why should I bother and why should I learn this course? So if you are planning to write reactive programming in your next project, then you must be thinking about Angular framework, or you might be thinking about React Redux. And to become an expert in Angular, one of the most challenging things that developer is facing nowadays is to understand higher order observable in working knowledge. Therefore, I would highly recommend to learn RxJS concepts before you begin with any reactive programming. Similarly, if you are working in a complex project where you have to manage state using NgRX, then consider watching this course, because NgRX uses heavily RxJS and RxJS higher order observables, so that you will have a good confidence to begin your next NgRX project. In the React Redux observable library, you will face situations where you will need to use higher order observables and map them. So this course is for you as well. Nowadays in interview questions, RxJS higher order observables related questions are very hot topic. So if you are looking for your next interview, then you must watch this course till the end. And by the end of this course, like I told you, you will be having a firm knowledge the concept of RxJS higher order observables. So the one line statement is, regardless of library you are using or the framework you are working on, either you are working on Vue.js, React, Node.js or Angular NgRX, you must master on RxJS higher order observable knowledge and have these skills for your better career. So let's see, how do you get the source code from this course? So in this course I have used a lot of coding, so let's see how do you get those source code next.